Greetings, music makers. I'm Dr. Cayari, and in this video, we're going to learn how to play ukulele for your favorite landmass, a volcano. I'm sure you're erupting with excitement to learn a new song. You're going to lava it. So don't forget to explode that like button for those molten hot puns. In this video, we're going to learn what I call anchoring and sliding with the new chord G7. What you'll already need to know is how to play C major and F2 sus. If you need to learn those chords, click up here to see my video about how to play with the Black Eyed Peas. These skills can then be used to play a song like the Disney animated short, The Lava Song. So grab your ukulele, do your best to play along, and without further ado, let's get ready to learn. Let's review the two chords we'll be using. F2 sus, which uses your one finger on the second string first fret. And C major, which uses your three finger on the first string third fret. Let's go from there. Take your three finger and slide it down to the second fret of the first string. It'll look like this. Now we'll add the one finger where the F2 sus was, and then we'll add our middle finger onto the second fret of the third string. That'll give us our G7 chord. It'll sound like this. Let's put our one finger up for the F2 sus and play it together. Ready? Now, leaving that there is going to anchor our hand so that we can put the other two fingers down to get the G7. It'll sound like this. So let's play 4 in a row of each. We'll start with the F2 sus and play 4, and then we'll put our other two fingers down and play the G7 chord. Try it with me. 1, 2, F sus, go. G7. Back to F2 sus. G7. Couple more times. Last time. So let's try sliding. We'll play our C chord, then slide our ring finger down to the second fret and add the two fingers to get our G7 chord. Then we'll slide our ring finger back up to the C and lift up our other two fingers. Let's start with whole notes at first. So we'll play 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, slide back and put the fingers down. 2, 3, slide up. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and slide one last time. End on a C. We're going to try half notes now, 2 of each. 1, 2, start with C. 1, 2, 3, 4, G7. 2, 3, 4 to C. 2, 3, 4, G7. 2, last time, go. C. G7 will end on a C. Let's try quarter notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Switch G7, back to C. Now G7, end on a C. Now let's try a chord progression. We'll start on C, go to G7, F2 sus, then back to C. What we'll do is we'll play 4 beats on each chord. You can play a whole note, 2 half notes, or 4 quarter notes. I'll play quarter notes. Get ready. Start with C. 1, 2, ready, go. G7. F2 sus. Now the C. let's do it again. C, G7, F2 sus, back to C. Again, use the scroller if you want to practice that again. Now we're going to learn the chord progression that you could use for the Lava song. If you look down below, you'll see 5 chords. The C major towards the end of the progression is a little bit shorter. What we have is an 8-beat progression, but the one that's bold is actually only 4 beats. So if you're doing whole notes, you'll do 2 of each, except for the bold, which you get 1. If you're playing half notes, you'll play 4, 4, 4, 2, 4. And if you're playing quarter notes, you'll have 8, 8, 8, 4, 8. Let's try it together. Get your C chord up. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to C. 2. Now G7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and F. C. G7. We'll end on a C. This time I'm going to play it again, but I'll play quarter notes and we'll play it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. G7, F2, C, G7, back to C, G7, F2, C, G7, end down a C. Are you ready to play it with my clones? Get ready. I hope you had a great time playing with my clones. If you learned something, please fist bump that like button. That way YouTube will be more likely to recommend my videos to others who might want to learn with us. If this video brought value into your life, please support this channel by sending me some 𝐂𝐑𝐄𝐓. If you're ready to create your own version of this song by playing with my clones, there are collaborate links in the description box below. After you're done, don't forget to come back and comment with a link to the video you created. If you need more practice with the song, use the scroller at the bottom and find the timestamp marked practice to play along until you feel comfortable. If you're interested in learning more about ukulele, click on the Learn playlist over there. If you want more collaborative projects, click on the Create playlist down there. And if you're new here and want to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss the resources I create, click on my face. And until next time, keep on making music.